just caught me trying to load this trailer. But I'm on my own today. So I've got an idea of how I can load this trailer. I don't have a fork truck. I do have a fork truck, but I can't use the fork truck and the trailer at the same time. So what I'm going to do is try and slide it up the trailer. So I've got a couple of bits of wood.
What's in the bag, Kirk?
I brought that into the car. Old wood chippings are in the bag. So have a look inside. Old wood chippings. Look at that. Really lovely that is. A lovely bit of mulch there. So I'm going to take that and put it somewhere useful. So this is going to be like that. Now, we've got a little bit of tin. The idea of the tin, I'm hoping, is it'll enable the bag to slide. It's a bit too heavy for me to lift on my own.
And I'm far too busy filming. I can't possibly help.
You've also got a little injury, darling.
I have got a bad knee at the moment.
Not bad knee. So, my plan is to try and use what I've got. Now I've got a couple of scaffold poles here. I know not everybody's got them. You could probably use a bit of wood or something, but I've got a scaffold pole which makes it life a little easier because it's strong. Put that through there. Put that through there. Okay. Now, you might have thought this was all planned through, but I've got to tell you, I'm making this up as I go along. It doesn't look like it, does it? It looks like I know what I'm doing. I haven't got a bloody...
You got skills?
But I've got skills. Right then. That looks to me like it just might fly. No, it won't fly, but it might just go up the ramp. Now,
That's if the bag doesn't disintegrate.
the bag might split and rip to pieces, but I'm going to hopefully for this video. Right, so what I'm going to do is I've got this lovely strap here. I'm going to put a strap either side. Take the strap from the centre. So we'll make that a little shorter. I'll come around this side now. Ah, it doesn't work. It does work. Look, I just got to make it longer. So I'll make it longer. Morning, afternoon. This is the noisy bit. Let's see if that works, shall we? So when you're on your own and you've got to do a job that takes really a couple of blokes, we could just do it this way. Now, this is where I wish I had fast forward. And it's as easy as that. Off it goes. Right. So now I can take it to where I want to dump all this stuff off. It didn't take long at all, did it? And I'm not out of breath. Don't forget, if you like the how-to videos or if you like our videos, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Like I said, you might know more than I do, but I've got skills.